Smart lights have been stuck in a box for years. Colorful wall panels, light strips, colored bulbs and lamps, and even RGB ceiling light panels. But what if your ceiling could be more than just a place to hang a boring light? What if it could become an interactive display that changes throughout the day or becomes part of your home entertainment system? Well, today we're looking at something special. This right here is the Govee Ceiling Light Ultra, and it is massive. I've been using Govee products around my home for years. I even have the original ceiling light and the Gen 2 Pro version, but this one is different. It's packed with 616 individual colored lights that fit into a sleek, flat design. Now, like I said, this thing is massive, and at first I was worried that it was going to be way too big, but to my surprise, it looks way better than both the Gen 1 and Gen 2 Govee ceiling lights. My family and I have tested it over the last week or so as a room light, as art, as a movie background light, and as something that automatically adjusts the lighting based on the time of day. I mean, my 3-year-old loves this light. The first day I installed it, he spent at least an hour using the AI mode to create custom characters and scenes. So if you have kids, be prepared because you will blow their minds with this light. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install it, explain what makes it special, and introduce an amazing AI feature that creates lighting effects just from simple voice commands. Installation is simple. Even if you've never installed a ceiling light or fan, you should be just fine. But since this does plug directly into your home's electrical system, safety comes first. Turn off the power to the room at your circuit breaker and make sure the wall switch is set to off as well. You can never be too careful. The light is about 21 inches across and less than 3 inches thick. It's flat and sleek, but can be a little awkward to hold while you're installing it. Luckily, Govee was smart about the design. They included a safety cable that holds the heavy light in place while you're connecting the wires. Once you have the mount or bracket installed, all you have to do is tuck away the wires, then the light twists and locks into place. Then all you have to do is turn the power back on, open the Govee Home app on your phone, tap the plus button, and it connects to your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in seconds. It's really easy and the result looks amazing. So now that it's installed, let's talk about what makes it special. First, it works as a regular light. This light has a built-in white light system, so it doesn't have to fake white light by mixing colors. That's important because cheaper lights that mix colors often look harsh blue or purple. This light produces bright, natural white light. This is measured with something called CRI. The Govee Ceiling Light Ultra has a CRI of 95, which makes it a great option for creators who don't want the bulk of a dedicated video light or people who just want an accurate light that produces natural shades of white tones. Govee achieved this high CRI due to something called RGB-ICWW. Cheaper lights are usually just RGB, which cover the red, blue, and green spectrums. Govee added an integrated circuit chip, which is the IC. This allows you to control individual segments of the light, which is needed for the different effects and animations that you can create inside the app. Now, the WW in RGB-ICWW is the most important part when it comes to achieving the high CRI value. It stands for warm white and cool white. RGB style lights attempt to create white by mixing colors, specifically red, green, and blue. This results in whites that have a blue or purple tint. But because the Ceiling Light Ultra has a dedicated white LED chip, it can provide true white light with accurate temperature adjustments across the board. But here's the thing, color is only part of the story. This light is also insanely bright, maxing out at 5,000 lumens when using a 6,500 Kelvin temperature and 3,700 lumens at 2,700 Kelvin. If you have a dark room, this light will definitely brighten it up. And for creators, it very well could be the only light that you need to give you nice, soft, accurate lighting. It covers up to 30 square meters or 323 square feet, which is more than enough for most people. But let's be honest, you didn't buy this light just for white light and brightness. The real fun is the 616 tiny colored lights that let you create patterns and designs on your ceiling. Inside the Govee Home app, you have tons of creative control. You can make colors flow in different directions, speed up or slow down animations, and even upload photos to copy their colors. But my favorite part is the AI feature. And I know so many of you are probably tired of hearing about AI, but this is actually a useful implementation. In the app, all you have to do is tap the AI button and then describe what you want. You can describe complicated scenes. If you want to change it, just ask and it adjusts immediately. Now here's a pro tip. Try describing real scenes and moods instead of cartoon characters or brand names. The AI does work better that way. Also, you have a choice between static images or GIFs, so if you want to add cool animations to your ceiling, you can do that. If you have other Govee lights in your room like I do, you can sync them all together. Turn on a movie or music mode, and the ceiling light will copy the colors from what you're watching if you're using one of Govee's TV backlights, or you can have them react to the audio by using your phone's microphone, making your whole room part of the experience. You can also create custom dream view scenes, which can turn an entire space into more or less an interactive light show with sound effects and beautiful animations. I use this feature all the time, especially when my kid's around, and he loves it. Now, beyond the cool effects, there's a really interesting smart feature called Day Sync. Old smart lights just turned on and off at set times. Day Sync is smarter. It adjusts your lighting throughout the day to match your body's natural rhythm. In the app, you can use a preset schedule or simply build your own. Once you turn it on, the light automatically learns your sunrise and sunset times based on your location. Here's how it works. In the morning, instead of blasting you with bright light, it slowly fades in with warm, soft light to gently wake you up. During the day, when you're working, it switches to bright, cool white light to help you stay focused. When the sun sets, the light gradually gets warmer and dimmer, helping your body relax and get ready for sleep. It all happens automatically. You don't have to do anything. The whole system is designed to help you feel more, awake during the day and more relaxed at night. It's actually really cool and definitely can be beneficial for those that have a hard time waking up or falling asleep. What's really cool about the Day Sync feature is it actually syncs to your weather as well using your location. So as you can see, it is a stormy, rainy day and the light reflects the weather in my area. Now let's talk about control and automation. Obviously, you can control the Ceiling Light Ultra with your phone or tablet using the Govee Home app. But what happens when someone flips the regular wall switch by mistake? Well, you could go with this approach because it will power the light on and off. However, in the off position, your automations are no longer going to work. The first solution is you can use one of Govee's wireless remotes with 2 or 6 buttons, mount it next to your regular switch, and then each button can trigger different light scenes, turn the light on and off, or activate music and movie syncing, all without using your phone. I have these all over my home and plan on swapping out the 2-button remotes that I have with 6 buttons as my Govee lights grow. The last way you can control this light is through your smart home. It supports Amazon, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Samsung SmartThings, Home Assistant, and many more. You're pretty much covered regardless of what smart home ecosystem you're in. Okay, so here's the bottom line. The Govee Ceiling Light Ultra is launching very soon, or has already launched depending on when you see this video. And it has a retail price of $249.99. But is it worth it? Well, if you want a light that works as a great everyday lamp, creates amazing visual effects, and automatically adjusts to your body's natural rhythm, this is the best option out there, especially in this price range. The AI effects and Day Sync features make it incredibly smart. Plus, when comparing it to high-end video lights, it's nearly half the price, if not a quarter of the price, with excellent color reproduction and brightness. Of course, it's not going to replace a professional dedicated light specifically made for photo and video work, but if you're a creator working out of a small bedroom and don't have the space for a pro light setup, this is definitely a great option. I've used it several times. That said, if you're not interested in the color animations and just want to simulate natural daylight in a dark room, Govee also makes the Sky Ceiling Light. It mimics a skylight with gradients instead of pixel patterns. Both are great options for upgrading your home. If you want me to cover the Govee Sky Ceiling Light next, let me know by liking this video or just by dropping a comment. I'll leave links in the description for both lights and all the accessories that I mentioned throughout the video. If this helped you out or you just enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.